Hi guys, welcome back to Green Options. Today we will discuss about coco peat. So what is coco peat and how to plant using coco peat? So coco peat is also called as coco fiber and coco coir. It is made of coconut husk, so meaning it is 100% organic. So here are some of the benefits in using coco peat in planting. First, it can hold nutrients as it has high water retention. Second, it is good for seed starter as it provides good moisture which results to higher germination rate. Third, it is pest resistant, and lastly, it is reusable. Now, I'm going to show you the things that we need. So una, kailangan natin syempre yung coco peat. So ililink namin below kung saan kayo makakabili nito. Then next, kailangan natin ng container, a glass of water, and of course, seeds. So today we'll be using lettuce seeds. Let's start. So una, ibuhos natin ang coco peat sa ating container. So maglalagay tayo ng at least half sa container.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take it.
So after natin itanim yung mga lettuce seeds sa coco peat, pwede na natin siya ilagay sa lugar na hindi pa naaarawan. And then in 2 to 3 days, makita natin na may mga sprout na. And then that's the time na kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa lugar na naaarawan siya. And then in 7 days, pwede nang ilipat sa hydroponic system. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. So please watch out for our next video. Ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano ilipat ang mga seedlings from coco peat to the hydroponic system. Thank you!